Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your work experience to your profile on the Bayt.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And after that, tap on the profile button down below. That's the third option. Then scroll down till you find the work experience section. Here you should find it. Tap on the S button if you have any work experience that you would like to add to your account. First of all, add the job title of your position. Then select your job field, then the job location, choose a city, then a starting date, an end date. If you want to mark that you still work there, tap on this button. You can also provide a description of your responsibilities and achievements into these boxes. You can see you have a 4,000 character limit use limit, and here you can add the company details such as the company name, also the industry and company size. And here you can add your salary details, your last monthly salary. You can also indicate the currency, the cash bonus, sales commission, and other compensations can be added too. So if you are done with all these steps, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.